Hey there, viewers! Most of us never pay attention to what cooking oil we use for sauteing, grilling, or salad dressing. Some of us don't use any at all. When we do, it's only a couple of tablespoons. But this tiny amount can turn out to be a poison depending on your choice. Olive oil has an edge over its peers, and is probably the healthiest cooking oil on the planet. In today's video, be prepared to be blown away by the amazing health benefits of olive oil. Does it prevent strokes? What about weight loss? Let's discuss it all. Number 1. Filled with healthy fats. These days, fat-free oils are creating quite a buzz. Anything filled with fats is just scary, especially if you're aiming for a slimmer body. A few crazy diets don't allow you to consume even a drop of fat, but believe it or not, your body needs them. There are good fats and bad fats. Saturated fats are bad. These are the ones you get from potato chips, pastries, and ice creams. Unsaturated fats, however, are great. Olive oil is extracted from olives. It has 11% polyunsaturated fats like omega-6 and omega-3. It also has 73% unsaturated fat called monounsaturated fatty acids. Oleic acid is a type of fatty acid that makes olive oil healthy despite having fat. Studies have shown oleic acid to reduce inflammation and suppress genes that have links to life-threatening cancers. It also keeps your joints lubricated. What's your favorite meal to cook with olive oil? Sound off in the comments below and start a conversation with our Bestie community. Number 2. Large amounts of antioxidants. Olive oil is a superfood in itself, but not every olive oil is loaded with great nutrients. You need to use extra virgin olive oil to get the best nutrients. Don't always trust big labels? Chances are you're getting a mix of olive oil along with harmful oils like canola and soybean. This is mainly done to reduce the price, but the whole process can turn the oil bad. Also, make sure it's cold-pressed. This will help retain the maximum amount of polyphenols, a type of antioxidant extremely beneficial for your brain. Antioxidants slow aging down and reduce the cellular stresses in your body. The original product will always have a bright green color, with the very first whiff smelling like an explosion of herbs and peppers. Antioxidants can also keep your high cholesterol in check and protect your body from chronic disease. The vitamin E and K in this oil also help the antioxidants to a great extent. Looking for answers on all the latest health and wellness news? Hit that subscribe button and join our millions of followers. Stay up to date on all our great Bestie content. Number 3. Strong anti-inflammatory property. Every ingredient in olive oil helps the other bring miraculous results to your body. Chronic inflammatory diseases like cancer, heart disease, metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's, arthritis, and even obesity can all be reduced with the help of extra virgin olive oil. Try picking up products that have extra virgin olive oil mentioned on the bottle rather than light or pure. Try going to specialty stores and buying products that have a harvest date on them. If you believe in putting olive oil in the fridge, that's absolutely fine. In fact, this practice can help you differentiate between fake products. If the oil turns cloudy, it's probably genuine. Don't buy the ones that have clear bottles. Storing this oil in dark-colored glass bottles can help retain its chemical compounds. Research has shown that 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil has the same effect as 10% of the adult dosage of ibuprofen. This is because of the antioxidants. Number 4. Prevent stroke. People have strokes due to disturbed blood flow to the brain, blood clots, and internal bleeding. It remains the second most common cause of death in most countries. Researchers have been studying the link between strokes and olive oil for a long time. A study where almost 1.5 participants used olive oil regularly found that these people had a much lower risk of stroke than those who didn't have olive oil at all. So don't shy away from eating that fatty olive oil-loaded pesto. Number 5. Protects against heart disease. And if you have a family history of heart disease, you might want to be extra careful with what you eat. Increasingly, people living around the Mediterranean Sea showed a lesser rate of heart disease. After looking at their diet, olive oil emerged as a key ingredient in their cuisine, along with lots of fruits and veggies. That is how the Mediterranean diet became the most recommended for heart patients. There are hundreds and thousands of studies that underline the importance of extra virgin oil in heart conditions. Regular use of this oil can reduce bad cholesterol, improve the lining of blood vessels, and prevent excessive blood clotting. All this can lengthen your heart's life. While we're talking about your heart, here are 4 signs of a heart attack women always ignore. Number 6. Does not cause weight gain or obesity. Isn't it everyone's dream to eat fatty food and still stay thin? Fatty foods like cakes, cookies, donuts, and fried snacks can make you put on weight within no time. Olive oil is full of fat, yet will make a positive difference when you step on the scale. A study of 7,000 participants consuming lots of olive oil showed no link to weight gain. Another study showed that a diet rich in olive oil had the potential to cause weight loss and reduce obesity. Having healthy fats in your regular diet can stop insulin spikes related to weight gain. If you tend to overeat, trust me, you need these fats in your diet to keep cravings under control. If you decide to go cold turkey on fats, you would probably crave more junk food by the end of the day. Instead, make a deliberate attempt to add healthy fats to your dish. You can try a simple experiment on yourself at home. Try adding plain vegetables, some greens, and protein to your salad all in one day. The next day, have the same salad but with a generous drizzle of olive oil dressing. Write down how hungry you felt each day along with your cravings. You'll definitely be more satisfied after adding that olive oil. Other healthy oils include coconut, flaxseed, avocado, and almond. Try using these oils in rotation to get different health benefits. Number 7. Reduces the risk of diabetes. Diabetics have to be very careful about what they eat. This can narrow down your food options. Regardless of what foods you quit, olive oil is definitely not one of them. The Mediterranean diet, rich in olive oil, has proven to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by almost 40%. There are many studies that confirm the beneficial effects of this oil. It controls blood sugar, helping you lead a healthier life. Just remember that moderation is key for getting the maximum benefits. Number 8. Helps fight Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is a complex disease scientists are still trying to figure out, but from research, it looks like olive oil can help fight it. There are almost 6 million Americans struggling with this disease. It's caused when your brain cells are blocked from plaque. This includes a chemical called beta amyloid. Olive oil acts as a lubricant and helps to clean out the plaques smoothly. Number 9. Has anti-cancer properties. Having these superpower to cure cancer sounds incredible. Millions fall prey to cancer every year. Just as people living around the Mediterranean Sea have a lower risk of heart disease, research has shown they also have lower risks of cancer. This is due to olive oil consumption. You might think about adding this oil to your regular diet if you're not already. It's better than all those gross medicines you'll have to take later on. Number 10. Helps treat rheumatoid arthritis. Our bodies would collapse in lumps if it weren't for the joints. Despite being so important, we still forget to take care of them. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder where the body's immune system starts attacking normal healthy cells, causing painful joints. Olive oil works well here. It can improve inflammation and reduce oxidative stress. What do you think about combining 2 natural anti-inflammatory oils? Try combining olive oil with fish oil. Your body will get a blast of another fatty acid, omega-3. This can definitely improve your symptoms and help make you stronger. Number 11. Has antibacterial properties. A few nutrients from olive oil can kill deadly bacteria that live in your stomach like H. pylori. This bacteria can cause stomach ulcers and even stomach cancer. Your doctor can prescribe antibiotics to get rid of this unwanted bacteria, but after that, some bacteria remains. Olive oil can combat 8 different strands of H. pylori. 3 out of these 8 are already antibiotic resistant. If you want a happy stomach, start having 30 grams of extra virgin olive oil regularly. You'll see its dramatic effects in just 2 weeks, as it reduces the chances of infection in 10 to 40% of people. Infection is your body's way of telling you your disease-fighting ability is down. There are many different types of infection to look out for. Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more infection-related videos, shall we? Watch 11 signs you have a sinus infection. You can also check out what causes belly button odor and other facts about the body. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn more about how to fight that pesky infection. Do you know any other benefits of olive oil? Let us know in the comments below.